Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Lightroom Classic CC lets you schedule automatic backups of your catalog. Keep in mind that a new catalog is written with each backup, so you may want to periodically delete or compress old backup files to save disk space. It's also important to remember that scheduled catalog backups are performed when you exit the Lightroom Classic CC application. In other words, you must close the program before a scheduled backup will begin. To schedule regular backups for a catalog, choose Edit, Catalog Settings from the menu bar. The Catalog Settings dialog box then appears. Use the Backup Catalog drop-down menu within the General tab of this dialog box to select the frequency with which backups occur. If you select Never, then backups will not be performed by Lightroom Classic CC. This choice is not recommended. If you select once a month when exiting Lightroom, then your catalog will be backed up once per month. Any changes made between backups will not be saved by the backup until the following month. If you select the once a week when exiting Lightroom, then your catalog will be backed up each week. With this option, changes made after a backup are backed up the next week. If you select once a day when exiting Lightroom, the catalog is backed up once a day. However, with this choice, changes made throughout the day are not backed up until the end of the day, even if you exit the program more than once a day. If you select every time Lightroom exits, your catalog is backed up each time you close the program. This is true even if you close the program multiple times in one day. If you choose when Lightroom next exits, then Lightroom Classic CC will back up your catalog as soon as you close the program. This option is known as a manual backup of your catalog. After making your selection, click the OK button to preserve your choice and close the dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.